Introducing the Google Pixel Fold, a new, more expensive version of a phone that was introduced in the late 90s and peaked in the early 2000s. With its capacity to take great pictures like all smartphones and crappy pictures like an old-school flip phone, the Google Pixel Fold is a phone like all others. The Google Fold is revolutionary in that it combines the flip phone with the smartphone while making it more fragile and 5 times more expensive. With the Google Fold, your phone can stand up on its own, just like it was already doing with the $10 pop socket. When folded, it fits fully and easily in your pocket. You know, like the flip phone your mom used to use 15 years ago.
Sleek, beautiful, and ultra premium. It's the only foldable that does all that. Google Pixel Fold.
The Google Fold is everything you've already seen before, only this time, it's $1,800.